Let's read the story of the birthday princess. Instructions on how to read. I'll read the sentence first. Listen carefully. Then we read it together. Join in with me. Then you read it all by yourself. You can do it. The girl has a crown. The girl has a crown. Now you read it. She is wearing a pink dress. She is wearing a pink dress. Now you read it. The girl has a gift. The girl has a gift. She is holding a box. She is holding a box. The box has a big bow. The box has a big bow. She has 4 balloons. She has 4 balloons. The balloons are pretty. The balloons are pretty. The girl looks happy. The girl looks happy. She is ready for a party. She is ready for a party. The gift is for a friend. The gift is for a friend. The pink dress is long. The pink dress is long. The crown is shiny. The crown is shiny. The balloons float up. The balloons float up. The girl smiles at us. The girl smiles at us. She loves her gift. She She loves her gift. Great reading! You read all the sentences. Keep practicing every day. If you want, rewind the video and read it again. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to BrainPopz for more such fun reading and phonics videos. Bye-bye.